Hey, what's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV, and this next episode is going to be the footage that wind up on the cutting room floor of the Country Style 2025 Cook-Off. I got so many comments, so many people sent me messages saying, hey, I know you got more footage. I was in one of your video clips. So what I did is I went to the cutting room floor, put that footage in. I didn't do a proper edit, nothing fancy. I just kind of did some rough and raw clips because you guys requested it and you are my supporters and I love you cats. Enjoy this episode. Oh, jump. I just saw that light come on, y'all. As soon as you hit the door, the light came on. Power's back, y'all. Go ahead. What was you saying, man? This is the chef, y'all. Y'all know Chef.
No, I was saying that all the lights, our fan came on. I came out to tell everybody, and all the lights were in the house. I was like, I guess I ain't doing nothing special.
Look, there's the other chef right there, y'all. Who are you?
Alex.
Chef
Alex,
y'all.
Alex.
It's Alex.
Alex. That's the first name, middle name, last name.
And the last name. AAA.
Yeah,
Triple
we
A.
here in Bennisville. We're going to get it today.
We about to get it, man.
I was dreaming about it last night.
He was dreaming about cooking.
About what we was going to do, how we was going to do it, how I set up.
Yeah,
I was dreaming about it. I woke up this morning at 4 ready to go. I said, is it time yet? The lights just came back on and the sun out. So we finna go do it. Y'all come down.
Oh, hold up. Right here, y'all. Straight to it.
What we mean when we talk about making them sweat.
He said that's what they mean when they talk about making them sweat.
Sweat.
Yep.
Whoa.
He got that.
He getting
that workout on the season.
In a minute, yes we are. Okay. It's real time.
He said it's real what?
It's real time. It's real time.
It's real time, y'all. What time is it?
It's real time.
Look, you know what time it is? It's rub time. It's rub time, y'all. They getting that rub on it. How you doing, brother? All right. How you doing, sister? We going. What's up? What's up, guys? We going over here into the secret area, y'all. This is a laboratory. Can't be over here too long, cause top secret stuff is happening. Top secret stuff back there, y'all. Let me get over here behind the box.
Ain't no secrets here. We in the open, baby.
Yeah, we out wide open, y'all.
We in the wide open. Let everybody see what's going on. You got to buy a plate though. Get a shot of that whiskey.
No, we ain't messing with that. Look,
Last
time I took a drink, I woke up butt naked in Jamaica.
Yeah, you don't need to mess with that, man. No, I ain't need to hear all that neither, but okay.
Yo, I am full. I am tired. I've been walking all around, talking to different people, man. This has been another awesome event, 2025 at the Country Style event. How y'all doing? Look, I'm telling them how tired I am. Look, I'm winding down now. It's tight, y'all. It's tight. Check it out. That's right. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Everybody good? Y'all ate already? I'm done. I'm finished. I'm finished now. I'm finished. Y'all have a beautiful day. We getting on the road soon. What's going on, man?
I was just telling my wife I met you last year, man.
Yeah, 2 years in a row.
That's right.
I even went to Charlotte, man, to the little cook-off they had there. But I'm tired, man. I'm about to wind it down now. Yo, it was good seeing y'all out here. Y'all enjoy yourselves. I'll see you next year. All right, peace out. Where you from? Tallahassee, Florida, y'all. Florida. Word is born. I'm from Jersey. He from Florida. He's from Florida. He's from Tallahassee. Y'all from South Florida? Miami? Fort Myers. Oh yeah? On the other, that's west side. On the west side, yeah. Okay. Deion Sanders. Okay, who is that? No, I'm just messing with. Hey, y'all have a good day, man. Nice meeting you guys, huh? Don't. That's right. I ain't gonna edit it. You did. My brother, thank you. My channel right there, Matt DV. Yeah, check it out. I do food traveling. Yeah, let go and live. We only live once. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Take care. Ain't no bugs in there, right? Y'all good? My people's my people's. What y'all looking at? What's the game on?
We up there shooting pictures.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, Jiggles Den fan. Yeah, y'all get Jism? Jism, oh yeah. Where y'all from?
Atlanta.
Atlanta, okay, not too far. Jersey, yep. This is my second year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I run a channel. Y'all check it out if you get a chance. Matt DV. I do food, travel, adventure.
Okay, I'll shoot
Yep,
you too, right?
yeah, definitely. Yeah, we always going around, man. Different, a lot of soul food, a lot of Caribbean oxtail, jerk chicken, and then we be at the country style cook-off, of course. Yeah. Y'all, so look, this is what it is, man. I'm back here in Tent City right now. How y'all doing? All right. I'm back here in Tent City. Hey, my peoples, my peoples. All right, how y'all doing? Good, good. Back here in Tent City, man. Everybody back here chilling, relaxing. They relaxing, y'all. So we got the music going on. Ain't nothing but family here, y'all. I don't know what y'all thought, but it is definitely happening back here in Tent City. It feels like I've really been talking a lot now, y'all. Y'all good? All right, it's all good. How y'all doing over here? How y'all doing over here? Good. I'm about to cut out soon, man. Y'all have a good time back, okay? It's Matt DV. Yeah. Food, travel, adventure. Yeah, this is my second year here. It's awesome, man. That's all I can say, you know? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Peace, family. All right, y'all, I got to figure out how I'm going to get out of here now. I'm going to have to ease over this way. How y'all doing? What's up, brother? All right, my man. Ease out through here. Yeah. Which one? Reds. Yeah. Right closer to here, right? Yeah. Delicious. Yeah. He said it was slamming. He had Reds brisket. You enjoyed yourself?
I did.
That's what's up. Where you from?
Jacksonville.
They from Jacksonville, y'all. Jacksonville, Florida, in that house. Somebody over there from Tallahassee. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, thanks for supporting the channel. Yeah, okay. All right, peace out. All right, y'all. We trying to get out of here now. Hey, how y'all doing? All right. Yeah, man. I'm about to go home. I've been here all day today. I was out in the rain here helping set up a little bit yesterday, man. You know, look, oh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look, they got the candle keeping the bugs away. 2025. I'll see y'all later. Hey, what's up? What's up? Huh? That's your sister there. Where y'all from? Greenville. Okay. Spartanburg, that area? Okay. Yeah. These are Southerners right here, y'all. Yo, so that's it, man. I am about to get in the car and drive 9 hours back to Jersey, or 5 hours, and then get a nap or something. Man. So look, this your man, Matt DB. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, man. Once again, here at the Country Style Cook-Off 2025. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Yo, I'm winding it down, man. Yeah, for real. I'll see you at the next one.
All right.
Okay. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. We done been all over it now. It's a done deal, for real. How y'all doing? Yeah, he got his hands full right there, y'all. Jersey in the house. Jersey in the house. How y'all doing? Everything good? All right. Alabama, that's right. For real. We from everywhere. Oh, I appreciate that. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, of course you can. We getting photos, y'all. Getting photos. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys later. Oh, y'all, we gotta get out of the way. Got Art and them over here doing their thing, man. They doing their thing. Uh-oh, he's talking to the judges. Let's see what else is here. Oh, yeah. Got to eat my brother. I almost took a fall, y'all. We got to be cool. Uh-oh. People over here waiting for the bathroom. Right here. Right here. See what's happening right here. Set it on. That barbecue pit, that barbecue grill over there look like a steam engine. Look like a steam engine over here. Ooh, I'm tired. This brother carrying the wood right there. Got the wood carrying. All right, y'all, I'm about to go home. I know I said I was leaving already, but I really am about to go this time. Figure it out. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? All right. Good seeing you, man. All right. Peace. Thank you. Thank you.
I got you.
What is it?
This is Aqua Fresca.
Aqua Fresca?
Yeah, Aqua is a Mexican drink.
It's a Mexican drink.
It's a Latino, you know the barrel drinks that Latino Americans make?
Yeah.
That's what that
But what's that last word? Fresca?
Fresca.
Fresca, okay.
Is the
Agua Fresca. Ah, Agua Fresca.
Yeah.
See, y'all, I gotta like roll them R's for rrrr. That's good, man. It's even soon. I've been talking all day and yelling, and my throat, you know, feel like when you've been yelling a lot. This is really good. Thank you. Yeah. Y'all remember her from Genesis, y'all?
Yeah.
Genesis Soul Food Restaurant. Come down, check them out.
Yeah.
In Bennettsville, South Carolina.
And I'm actually starting this business the end of the year.
You do what?
And I'm going to start this business
Okay.
in Charlotte, North Carolina.
In Charlotte, okay.
Q4 of 2025. So
Okay, we're gonna
look
check
me
you
up.
out.
Yep.
Indeed.
I'm starting this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So this is Southern Gentleman's granddaughter.
Who?
Southern Gentleman.
Oh, okay, yeah, Hezekiah, yeah. Hey, what's up, granddaughter?
She said the favorite grandchild too.
Where?
Her side, look, right here. Look at
Oh, on the side. Ah, that's it, man. Peace. How many times I said peace already? I'm ready. What happened? Look at that fish, y'all.
Big man.
That fish in there. That's that fish. It's whiting.
Whitey.
Where I haven't been drinking.
Well, I want to drink. I'm ready to drink. I'm gonna turn my box in, and it's time to drink.
Yeah.
But hello, YouTube world out there. If y'all ain't, is we live here?
we're not live.
Oh, okay.
Pre-recorded.
Well, hey, if you didn't come, you missed it. But if you did come, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
So, if next year, hey, be out here next year then. I've been here. I think it's my fifth
I think I saw you last year.
4th or 5th year here.
Okay, this is my second year.
Well,
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
I do. I love it.
Yeah, it's brilliant. What's the name, oh? That's what we missed.
Farron's, missing my apostrophe S,
Farron?
but it's Farron's barbecue.
Just in case y'all thought Alex didn't do no work, he over here spraying down the wings, y'all. He's getting them sprayed down. Here they go, y'all. He cutting it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, boom.
Nice and hot.
Yes, sir.
That's Big Pit Barbecue from Lithonia, Georgia. Hey, you tried it yet?
Yes, sir. About to, man.
There you go, y'all. You about to check it out.
Yes,
Check
sir.
it out.
See what's up, man.
Tender?
You got tender hot too. That boy
All right,
hot.
okay, all right.
Yes,
Take
sir.
it easy with it.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.